Welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons, Parmesan Tuilles. Let's get on with it.
So there is a reason why I didn't run you through the list of ingredients. It's because really there is just one, Parmesan. I added a little bit of pepper to these, and you could sprinkle a little bit of herb, maybe some chili flakes, but pretty much it's just Parmesan. This is a ground Padano, it worked fine. Obviously Reggiano would be slightly better, possibly. Just distribute it evenly, use a ring or some sort of mould, or try to keep it as neat as possible, and also a little bit further apart than I've done there. A couple of these later on, when you see, have melted and merged together. Schoolboy error there. Anyway, there goes that bit of black pepper. So in the oven, 180 degrees. That was about 6 or 7 minutes. A couple of them are ready and the others are not. You'll have to figure it out once you leave them out, and if they don't go crisp, then they weren't quite ready. You can just pop them back in the oven though, it's no problem. It's very forgiving. But if you want to shape them like I'm showing you here, you've got to do it while they're still warm. Absolutely crucial. But if you want to leave them as little flat discs, then just let that tray fall down by itself. No worries. I pop these back in the oven now because I'm going to attempt one more style. So that style is using the end of a wooden spoon to try to make a tube. Not the neatest, not the best job I've ever done, but it's worth having a go at. But there you go, 3 different options for you to try. A disc, a curved, and a tube. Lovely with salads. I'm actually using this later on with an asparagus soup that I also made today, and you can check that video out as well. It's very nice. So that is a very quick and easy Parmesan Tuille recipe. I hope you have a go at it. Thank you again for watching Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, tell your friends, and please check me out in future videos, which will be coming soon. See you then, bye!